God, for the sun that you blessed us with for the past couple of Koike days and then all drive home safely. O Kainoa Yesu Cristo, who reigns on. Amen.
Magpiina ang kala I hae I tumole ule ua. Benina mai me ke aloha punahani a ka ko aloha. And mahalo for joining us for another Kamehameha Schools Hawaii original production, Hu I Kamana. This year's Kuike is a rock opera. Brilliantly adapted and powerfully performed, it is a stirring drama, chronicling the struggle of our elite for the throne of Kamehameha. Their stories echo those of the Hawaiian people, a culture once thriving, a nation once independent. The Queen Emma and the Age of Kalakaua stand not as vestiges of bygone monarchical days, but as symbols of the future and inspirations for the progress and prosperity of Ngākana Waiwi. The undying love, the service, and passion they had for their subjects are testaments to the strength of our ancestors and their hopes for us to continue and sustain Kalahui Hawaii. This time, we have a special guest we would like to acknowledge, so please give a big round of applause to Hawaii County Mayor Harry Kim.
E pawahi, nana mai kai e Emma. E paani hei kaua, hiki no. E hoi ka ko I ka hale, ke kau hale ali malo. Kukuru kau hale ali malua I ka laʻilae. Ho'o kuene ana I ka laʻi o ke alialia. Holo ka wailana I ka ʻaina a pou e. A pou ki kau hale ali maloa.
O ke kini o I kahi ki e aia o I kahi ha'a. E o I ka kou I kona, aia ke kanaka mana. O ka pihe kona inoi, ka onohi o ka la ke akua. He hui nā moku, he ola nā kupuna, he iho kolo kalani I lalo nei. He pi'ia e ko lalo nei, I luna I kalani. He pia ku ka wai, he ahi aku ka peahi, ola ka mai. E hui
ho. E ola kona ka umau keiki me ka mai kai. Ai ana no la koi ka mamona ka ai na awi na iai. A o ka aloha. Aloha. Kalamai. E ho maka hovo, kalamai. E ola kona ka umau keiki me ka mai kai. Ai ana no la ko I ka mamona ka aina. Awi na iai. A o kaluhi ho iau. Me kou mauali I ho oi kai ka paua ho ale ai. Oh, nani a? Oh. Kare. Alia. Ano ba kamay? Oh. Alia. Yeah. Piano ke? Nani? Oh, ai, nani? Kaila. Iala. A ole lo ihana kolaku maula makia mua. E makia na no la ko. Makolaku maula. I. Mai kai ka ho malo kino ana. E ha ke kua. O vai kia lako. A oi kanaka? O vai. Ike oi? Ahe mea. He mau kaua paha. A ole. He mau maka ainana paha. A ole. E hai wau ia o kou. O na ali. Na mo'i. O Hawaii. E ia la ke hoi ke mai nei ke akua. E vai hoi ana ka wā. Heva. O maka oe. Aloha. E lilo punai ke. Aka heva. Aloha mai kākou. O wau no o ka pihe. O wau ana kau mea hai mo o lelo I ke ia po. E ho'olohe o kou. E nāna ka maka e paa ka waha. Ai nā nea. Ma kau. A oia. Pū heo. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Ku'ika Mana. Your presence is needed, your service required. Please come and serve your king. A nation that is tipping point, a situation dire. Please come and serve your king. The people feel like dying after a year of bravely trying. But don't cry, I denied petition today. A king with stunning air leaves the nation in despair. Say a prayer and prepare for the king's final say. Don't delay. Presenting Hawaii, Luka Ke'elikolani, and Queen Emma. Your presence is needed, your service required. How long he'll live, there's no guarantee. A nation that is tipping point, the situation dire. Don't waste a tear for him. Face your fears and make haste. Come and hear his plea.
We come, we wait, we listen without breathing. Who will take his place? Who will it be? At this final hour, we wait and we listen to know the fate of our Hawaii. Will it be me? Who would want the crown and all of us to rule and reign? The tumult and the tussle, the ruckus and the riot is not for us. It's not for us.
Who are these shadows against the wall? Are you too great to call your king at all? Why Santa lurking in the background? comfort seclusion, refusing to make a sound. There is a name you all wait to hear. Then come closer and I'll whisper. Elamai, take me by the hand. We all should dance and then you'll lay me down. We all should dance and then you'll lay me down. I cannot say your royal name. King before said you are too large a name. The girth and head would make the hound scream. I race the tumble backwards if I chose your queen. We respect your lineage, name and mine, but the hollow would revolt for our decline. Offered once before, you refused and quickly shut the door. Were you thinking of only yourself? Know the ink is better than anyone else. A year of kingship I had to endure. With no relief, my death now premature. There was one of you who chose to stay away. He's at the gin hall fixing for his coronation day. When I depart your company, when I am finally free, he'll take the throne from the Kamehamehas and lose it to the Howler. You're my favorite, that much is known. I would prefer to leave the throne. It's a curse, the tightening of the screw. I cannot, ever would not wish the same for you. I rest now, I'm weary and weak. Come tomorrow, I'll have the answer you seek. But first, Elamai, take my hand and smile. All should dance and then I'll rest a while. Elamai, take me by the hand. All should just dance and let them have the land.
I said you are not a king, so don't be a clown. But who am I to stigmatize? Lots said me, but I makes one think, what should I do? Americans are good, no one control. Reciprocity by moment and a flag on the floor. This throne should be mine. This throne should be mine. This throne should be mine. But I said no. But I said no. We are born American reciprocity. But I've got my Yankee man, my Chucky Reed. So who am I to demonize? Torn between lawfully and that landmine, serving two masters at one time. The Americans are good, no one to know. Reciprocity by Moby and the flag on the floor. Best, but the gender men. So who am I to demonize? Lots said me, but I makes one think, what should I do? The Americans are good, no one to go. Reciprocity by Moby and the flag on the floor. This throne should be mine.
For the people, bring it on. No, not those. Too many ruffles, too revealing. I'm trying to be appealing. No pants, this skirt takes him to task. We can be his pompous act. Won't rise up, use the British with their Navy, Americans out with their sugar and the missionaries will be Episcopalian. Having mercy, we are for the poor and not the bourgeoisie, not the power like you, and how audacious and vocacious. I'm not marrying Lele or Fernando say, foreigners can say, I agree, but only with a treaty. Don't be greedy or get too needy. People kick them in the sea and get them out. Won't rise up, use the British with their Navy, Americans out with their sugar and the missionaries will be Episcopalian. Cause having mercy, we are for the poor and the bourgeoisie. We want color, we come up who would say in a sovereign way. Never give the throne to the DKs.
Emma! Hawaii! Away over here! Your presence is needed, your service is required. How long he'll live, there's no guarantee. nation at its tipping point, the situation dire. Don't waste the tears for him. Face your fears and make haste. Come and hear his decree.
all the way from the royal heights, Pu'uwaina, the grandson of Aikanaka, the descendant of Keaweaheulu, the son of Kapa'akea and Keohopalolea, the man who put the llama in Malamalama, the lion of the Pacific, your highness royale, the merry monarch, David La'amea Kamanakapu Ahinulani, Naloe Huokalani, Lumialani Kalakawa!
Mahalo nui. Now isn't it great to see Mirawan? Aloha ana kala. So, thank you for coming. Here's a little something for all you beautiful Kanaka out there. A few lines I scribbled down in honor of our deified monarch that could one day be all that's left of our culture. Let's see if you recognize it. Hawaii ponoi, nanai konoi, kalaniai, keali, kawanie, hamehamehae, na kawae pale, crowd. Taught me by lot, my maxim every day. When you ask us for Pearl Harbor, this is what we say. Kukanaka, Hauni no Tekanaka, cha! Hauni no Tekanaka, cha! Can you live it? No que culeana. You wanna hear more? In English, olelo. Hekanaka kako. Hekanaka America. He Pelekania. He Wakanda. Hekanaka. Then sing it with me. Kanaka.
Fukanaka. Ja! Fukanaka. Fukanaka. Okay, repeat after me. Hanaka poikapo. Pono. Hanaka poikapo. Pono. Hanaka poikapo. Pono. Hanaka poikapo. Pono. Anna wikata. Ikeyao. Malama lama, oh yeah. You sing it. Ikea. Ikamai malama lama. M-A-L-A. What bite did you say? PK. I polole. Oh yeah, hoy. M-A-L-A. What bite did you say? PK. Wow, that's good to hear it again. Kepile na haole, haole kanona, o vai ka mea ola. Kanaka, no ki kanaka. Kanaka, o wa mo koula makuya. Imua. And speaking about the bitter water, here is my sister to sing about the bitter waters of love.
Vale, vale, mano, todo va.
pa'a o mana o I alei. Not bad, not bad. Okay, you
How
get
was
it.
that, guys?
You're good.
How was that?
It's all right.
Good,
You get it.
good.
You have to show off. Ua maunea hino, amulia o koleo, kauia kamanako, kahivaia o kapena.
All right, I'll admit that's pretty good. Pretty good, right? Okay, but now it's my turn. Pania paaya mai, amanavayo, kaluna ino, manalili.
Okay, you're making me look bad. What are you doing?
Let's hear from my brother Kalakaua.
Awahua o mamahala, au mahi nei e hu, ulu au I ka huna kai, kai he a I ka ilili. You guys want to hear us sing together? Let's give it. O kahi no ko alui, nana e hanoi ino ino mai ne luna, I ka haea ka e makani a I lono, lohe ka luna I pele kane, a oia o uni, mea ole I mana o.
Let's see Emma do something like that.
Let's bring it on.
E ki lohi au I ka lahi, na ua o manga.
Haina mai ka piana,
Lahi vai au ale koti.
Can I have a hand?
E kalama kua piming ku, he's white, white and blue. Not a
I am Bala, Ilamaku, Revival Wine, no Luno, Obisu. Married to a Maoli, the Ike Coco. A day of battle is just about to dawn.
Hey, Julio!
And if you want that Julio to happen somehow, just like in Nahine, well, you know what they say. Take it away. Aloha, oi, what comes and race until we meet again.
Singing like he's already crowned with the king losing crown, Kano.
Darling, open your eyes. Are you really surprised to see me or no?
It will be a game changer. Our children will be strangers. The future's only serving the Americans.
It's your own I know, but I feel it somehow will be defeated.
America's where I'm from, not who I've become. I am loyal to you. It will be a game changer. Our children will be strangers. The future's only serving the Americans.
By any other name is uptight, am I right? So it is.
So it goes.
And you know I got the hop and I had empty on the bar and the in Hawaii collabo for the show. Oh yeah, no, overseas and seas has brought us to our knees. If inbreeding doesn't cease overseas, so I gave you queens and the means to live your dreams. I'll be pure.
All in all,
I should say so. To be an endangered species, protected by the whole land.
Really?
Come stand up and strike a blow.
Posterity.
Posterity, let them see.
We're poor.
And don't ask them for no no.
A game changer. Our children will be strangers. The future's only serving the Americans. She's not driven by greed. She's the best one to lead. La hui nui. Tossing my hat into the ring. Split the rose, that'll be the thing. I put the queen upon a throne, and not a sugar king.
You're all blind if you think now's not the time for the warrior king to relinquish his life. Not forgetting we're indebted for all that he sweated. But at Kubukohala, the naked truth was stated. When Keo was flesh, was the writing on the wall, and the prophecy proclaimed made it clear to all that the house of Kamehameha will and must fall.
Your words are for the needy, the foolish and the greedy, and the foreigner who fears my family crest. Now how does your Ohana get all of the mana while our Eevee are filled with whatever's left? Kulia ikanuuni, so past or present tense. It should speak to all the masses, inspiring all the classes to strive for the highest. Let the striving commence.
Like Moses and Jericho, Pael reaped what he sowed. He united the Pai'aina wherever he went. We have a constitution, a written language of solution, but the fruit of good and evil is so Old Testament. It's time to build a nation, avoid assimilation, escape foreign domination, ensure self-determination, and secure a future for those of Hawaiian descent.
It will be a game changer. Our children will be strangers. The future's only serving the Americans. Modern life is a mess. Can we concede it? If we hope to withstand the industrial plan, what is needed is more than just a game changer. Teach the young to face the danger, so they won't be fooled by strangers, excluded, subdued, or fooled.
Like Chris Ohana, I love you, there's no doubt, my mother cousins. Yeah, but do you truly believe you are ready to lead? It really doesn't play out.
You are not the game changer. Lead is not in your nature.
Only bleed.
who?
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 Who? I'm saying who, not who. Hey, Nino Lahia. Hey, me anui pono who. Never mind, Nakuna is a heading, I swear. Nobody ka pena if we ever get there. Kono Honopono is what we're pursuing. Oki Kapiko, like the Americans are doing.
Burn, I know what you're saying, and it gets me right here. I remember my little prince playing and it brings me to tears. E maalagi ka po'y naanaw ka past. Oh, yeah, kamalukia of my baby boy's laughter.
I totally agree. Starting over now means ransom thing. Ku'umaw kiki. How will they ever know how to hula only or a fellow? It's the overnight Hawaiian will turn ghetto. All for you. All for you. All for you. All for you. I'll do it all for you. No, na kiki ang kupuna too. I'll do it all for you. No, na kiki ang kupuna too.
Now hold on, I'd like to add my 2 cents in. Don't forget you married an American.
You just better saying America's where you're from, but your manifest destiny's not who you become.
I know what I said, but just between you and me, persuading the electorate won't be that easy.
How so?
There's much to consider, trust me, it's an arduous affair.
For instance,
Conflict of interest, and to be honest, the promise of an heir.
It's all on you.
I see.
My dearest, I'm sorry.
Mai hoppo hoppo ka koia pilikia. Bakiki ke kohona ika moi. Luhina yo pilikia ana. Elike meka elelukea. Una kanme he kuala. Igiole ke koho ika mea como pau. Ina eu ke koho paloka ina bahine. Bahi ala koi eli.
Aole hikidu, Kanohana will surely lose if the Bahines in.
The Americans will surely win.
Aole hikidu, do.
Ole.
Two.
Ole talaga mo. E namu namu ako.
Do.
Walike halila ko. Ke kapua. Nunay ko mana o. Ay, kalep.
Huh?
Inaka ko nakane ala ko iho. Eya ho no. Kene ko wala. Ay, kapo. Ey, kako. Ikaw bena. Yula ia. Ko lea. May ako may I believe ima. Malala ka ako. Magkike eka. Nana pono taho pena. Kehelea pala na hua. Ke kukariki ay kamu. Ay kamu. Ay kamu min. Hey haleo. Kokeia. Meka na holi. E papaya. Hanana e baka. Ikala hui. Omaila kahaku. Omaila kawa. Ke malama ia ke ai kapuna mabama. No ali bahile. Ke kukariki ai kamu. Ai kamu. Akaluka i homa popo oe. Wakapaia. Wakapuneia. Waha ke kulana o ka wahine a ole hiki ai i ke kaine ai kai o kea kai o mula ka waini o ka niu au au
e kaliki e malani mau popo I kona mana o a ololike me ke amu o ai no ka olelo
O kamanava o ke kaua Uahala Wouldn't it be grand, a cabinet filled with ba'u? Navahine Bugalan, Elikemeka Ahumanu. Ekmaka Eha, if that's your point of view. Pala pala ona kiki is what we should pursue. Wouldn't it be grand, a cabinet filled with ba'u? Navahine Bugalan, Elikemeka Ahumanu. That's my aim if I'm not named. Are you game? Wouldn't it be grand, a cabinet filled with ba'u? Elikemeka Ahumanu.
Started yet, or did they choose to stop? So caught up with being so insistent. There's no time for being realistic. Gave the inkling of what will soon befall. Think they the savvy or the wherewithal. All think that they're the second coming, but really they're the more I use for chuckling. Come by the howling gonna pay for the native to dance their life away. Now vai make hula mea. Bring some cheer for this land.
Yeah.
your majesty. Kane Ovahine, choose your favorite nominee to be your lead. Come select the king or queen, choose the best of the three. The ruler who wants you to be the defender of your dreams. With a few days left to go, Kalakaua with his bravado has dropped in the polls. Hawaii she has the draw. Haele mai koho I koko li'i. KPRE is really not that easy. Come elect your majesty. Kane Ovahine. Choose your favorite nominee to be your lead. Come select the king or queen. Choose the best of the three. The ruler who will soon to be the defender of your dreams. Hale mai koho I ko'oko ali'i. Choose K, P, or E. It's really not that easy. Hale mai koho I ko'oko ali'i. Choose K, P, or E. It's really not easy.
All right, boys, let's go. We gotta get things done. Okay, I want this mohawk as pointy as possible. I went up to Kalihi to see the lay of the land. Hawaii is a shoo-in because of the American. My qualities can be questioned, doubted or second guessed. My pedigree is impeccable. Hawaii is second best. Best to beat the poet, but the polls keep coming in. If we don't make a scandal, Hawaii's going to win. Hawaii's going to win. Oh, but that's okay, because what's my name again? David Kalakaua. This Dustin from Wailuku, there's no chance to survive. I'll be lucky to get in of the possible 45. My hopo Eka those holes you can shred. Just trust the power of the media and read this article about what Fred just to be the poet, but the polls keep coming in. If we don't make a scandal, Hawaii's going to win. Hawaii's going to win. He hanai no keia. Ole mo popo ya. Make ane oi kamoi. Oi ano. You can't leave us a chance. If I publish this article, the crown will be wearing pants. You are the one to lead us, so you better not let us down. Like if you gonna print that, and yours will be the crown. Yes, yours will be the crown. Aye, but first we must talk. It's best to avoid a scene. In the final analysis, the end will justify the means. Okay, the plan is to talk to boy.
power, what will the heart attack? Oh, you know burns, I hear what you say. Though we love our whiskey bill, it's time to seize the day. No ina na kauma, no kau kiki kane, kane pu. Alai no na eva hiamu, we can't be buried by grief. Oh ina liko, haunale ua, olu olu, ikea.
Aloha mai kou mau ali'i, kou mau hoa nau kahulana. Pue au ke anu hau I liku.
Hamo hamo oi ke kuala. E ho'opaka mai ko manao, a laila, e halele.
Oian? Ua mana o au he ngai a ka e hia kani ho o ka mano. O ka mano.
Hema hema no ho I ka o lelo ho o uni. Kuka mai maka o lelo ho kai.
Shoo shua, shoo shua.
Ho lelo o ka hakunele. I panui ai kana. Ho o puka koke. Mai namo. A e hako mako mau pepe awa. No, Lila, speaking English is best.
Ouch, am I bleeding?
Oh, wait. Nene no, ke mi a me ka pi, o ke kalai aina. So it goes, the ebb and flow of political. One day you're in, and then the next you have to go. So it goes, the ebb and flow of political. Just speak your mind and be so kind as we hit the road.
E kala mai. All right, to candor. My Highness, you know you carry the vote of the American. But your views may change when the Hawaiian loses all its land. Remember Pearl Harbor. No, to be frank, you're a woman and not up to the job. It's a new day with new rules and a new God. He who has the golden rule. And when the stars and stripes arise, will you salute? Do you remember Kamehameha, Do you remember Kamehameha? No, it's trickled down and vanished, dying from starvation and thirst. We can't enjoy our hula, our olelo fades. Ohana too. But not to twist your arm or insult your esteem. My lead for tomorrow's edition, if you don't join our team. So it goes, the ebb and flow of political. One day you're in, and then the next you'll have to go. So it goes, the ebb and flow of political. You play the game, it's how you smooth it through, you know. My dear cousin, you've left me no choice. So it goes, the ebb and flow of political. One day you're in, and then the next you'll have to go. So it goes, the ebb and flow of political. You play the game, it's tight, smooth it through, you know.
Not a word of this is true. Please, I'd like to prove it to you.
No, I know, but even so, he'll try something new. I admire him. He really wants this. I need to win, and maybe he's the right one to take on the American.
Oh, my Hawaii, let's change our direction. Forget about this election. Emma will be fine on her own. Oh, my Hawaii, together we can help our nation. We can give them a firm foundation where the keiki learn to be free. Your future's not the throne. Kalakaua can hold his own. And Emma knows the scene from being queen. As for you and me, I have the scheme, you see. Educate the children properly for a healthy democracy. Oh, my Hawaii, let's change our direction. Forget about this election. Emma will be fine on her own. Oh, my Hawaii, together we can help our nation. We can give them a firm foundation where the keiki learn to be free.
You know my Chucky Free, such a dream I firmly believe. With my land and your can-do, make it all come true. All
For the children,
we must make it our mission. Bring it all to
fruition,
so the keiki can be free.
no assimilation. Together
We can build our nation for the future generations. Demand that we do.
Walua votes 30 to 60 for the next monarch of his glorious kingdom, Colonel David Kalakaua.
Well educated. I shall obey the advice of our ancestor of Keaweahiu, my grandfather, which he gave to Kamehameha I to be a rule for his government. The old men, the old women, and the children shall lie in safety on the highways. I will preserve and increase the people
My opponent
so that they shall multiply and fill the land with chiefs.
de facto influence
communist.
my rule. And due to my female weakness, be allowed to rule this government. Which I say, has he forgotten I was alongside my husband during the years of his reign of
First,
witness
they
firsthand.
I will follow about people's slaves within my first
family.
I will put more nationwide
Undoubtedly,
government officers
next to the
as
house
pay
of
off the taxes.
Kamehameha
I will
standing
and
and
promise
therefore
that
possess
you
a
rule the
stronger
government
genealogical
but I
will vote
will
30 to 60
I will return control
for
of
the
our
next
destiny
monarch
to the people
of his glorious
this great
kingdom,
land.
Colonel
On my
David
first day, all
Kalakaua.
offices of government, I will ask that I receive no salary.
Now
I
beware.
will feel the
But
whole
will vote 30 to 60
False speech.
Hawaiian family.
What
Precious undoubtedly will vote 30 to
Her Majesty, Queen Emma, ascend to the throne.
and therefore vote 30 to logical claim. It will be a game changer. We will not be strangers. We will not be silent. Undecided on a king or queen.
Begin.
Heaha, kekumu, hello li ai kako. Experience. I only know wahi out, if I were to say so. Our future's not in curricula vitae, but in the core.
Tappy correct, it's in the cocoa, I'm sure, but just between us, this cocoa is pure.
Apollo lay paha, but I think you forgot. Hekanaka Maoli, Kyoni Young was not.
Aoya no hoi, my cocoa is a mixture. Compared to you, I'm a little too extra.
She's a little bit extra. A point well taken. You're clever and you're funny. When we say God saves the Queen, it's Victoria and Malani. Snap!
My people know me. They know I care. And not like you, I can produce an air.
Your tongue is set for the brawl, but still water runs deep. Let's let these gloves fall.
He ko pagiki keia, he ko ponoia, he ko pagiki, he ko pono. Let the voting begin. Charles Kanaina. J.I. Dawson. J. Moana Uli.
All right, let's get one thing
Archibald
straight. You ain't
Clegg.
got what it takes. It's in the culture, I mean. You ain't never gonna be queen. I
Eight.
got the
We
lineage,
had
the
London.
line going way back in time to a legal record. That's how people respect me.
W.T.
Running through
Martin.
my veins. Got no blue blood, a prince. I got the witch to succeed guaranteed. I'm with bitch, the king. Never
Parker.
chose you like you said. Boys, the average, no worries, now he's dead. I think you gotta understand that I'm the one with the plan. For Allah, it's my duty. And I know I can't be the conductor of oppression, foreign aggression, dispossession for suppression and regression of the Mecca. I'm the man with the mission. Experience in government is what I got. I waited my
Charles
turn,
Bishop.
so don't get burned if I take it and run. I am the favorite son, and I won't be a
Harvard
queen. I get mean to the extreme. Constitutionally, I am the logical choice. I have the sound.
Edwin Hall.
I have the women, the voice. Independence for all is my thing.
Robert Gurley.
It's a song we will sing on this historic day. And we set things straight, and you will let me to be your king. Word.
Why you be wigging? I'm not digging. Why you think
Paul
it's cool for you to
Eastenberg.
diss me and dismiss me saying I'm not fixing you? I got the cocoa right back.
John
Of course,
Thomas.
you ask them as brother, of course, not some cousin who wasn't in line for a thing.
Luther
Keep
Aho.
on buzzing like a bee with no sting. So what was his name? Keave Ahe.
Thomas
If you think
Burke.
you're legit, your reasoning's kaboodle. Your talk is political, biased, and
John
critical. But what
Smith.
other people you claim are so loyal? You're giving them rides like some grease on the side.
Simon
Funny
Ka'ai.
that way, the way of a royal. I'm out on the streets, rocking the beat, locking on
Josephus
doors and
Navahi.
knocking it, getting Queens Hospital built. Not to mention school, so don't try no Fox News. It's news on the booze cruise, hammer to the hill. You'll give it all up like a fool to the Yankees. We'll lose by a moment to the American homies when they bring in their soldiers, warplanes and tanks.
J.W.
But
Lono
smelling
AL.
something like sugar and gin, or something an American cat dog.
H. Hogu. J. Kauai. R.P. Kuikahi. J. Kakina. J. Kahai. Ike Kapule. J. Komo Ike Ekwehu. Ike Kakani. I Kaukaha. J. Kapahu. J. A. Kaukau. Escape Hell. P.F. Wakanu. E. Kalemi. William Lane. J.H. Martin. S.M. Naukana. W.L. Moy Onua. J.W. Napai Pai. Attention, attention. Here are the results. 39 votes for His Royal Highness David Kalakaua. 6 votes. 6 votes for Her Royal Majesty Queen Emma. Long live the king. Nanamay. Bagu.
$300,000 tonight. Is this